Okay, so we've completed the circumcenter. I found the circumcenter is the point. Oops, we need to. That is the center of a circle circumscribed around the triangle. Okay. We're going to have to paste our notes. In order to do this, we're going to open up a Word document, just a blank Word document, and we're going to go to our GeoGebra picture here, and we're going to go ahead and do a screen clipping of that in our Word document. So if you go to Insert on Word, you go to Screenshot here, and we just want to do a screen clipping. So click on that, and just grab that guy. A little helpful hint: if you click here and put it behind text, we can move this thing around, and we can shrink it, and it won't take up too much space. So we want all 4 of our constructions on this page. We're going to print it out from the lab. All right, there's our circumcenter. Moving on to our incenter. Well, our incenter is found by the intersection. It's found the intersection of angle bisectors. Okay. So let's go back to our GeoGebra, and I'm just going to get rid of everything except for my triangle. Okay. So to do this, we need angle bisectors. Again, constructing this with a compass would be kind of a pain, but if we go to this menu here, we see we have the angle bisector option, and it tells us in order to do that, we need to pick 3 points or 2 lines. We're going to do the 3 points option, so I'll show you how that works. So click on angle bisector, and let's say we want to do the angle bisector at angle A first. Okay. Well, to do that, we're going to click on 3 points as if we were labeling that triangle with 3 letters. So angle A would be angle BAC. So let's click on that, BAC, and we can see that we get a line here that splits that angle A right in half. Do the same thing for angle C. We'll click on A first, C second, and B third, and get our last one. And once again, we get a point of concurrency. All of these lines line up. I'm going to go ahead and intersect that point. There we go. And there's our incenter. Well, what is our incenter used for? Well, we want, if an incenter or circumcenter puts a circle around our circle, the incenter is a point that will fit a circle perfectly inside of our triangle. This is going to be a little bit trickier to do. I need another point in order to make this work. So I'm going to go over to our fourth menu again, and I'm going to go to just this first one here, a perpendicular line. And I'm going to click on my center point, and I'm going to click on my triangle here. And the only reason I want that is I just need this point right here, this intersection point. So I'm going to go back to my intersection option, go to that point, place that point. All right. And now click on my arrow. I don't need this perpendicular line anymore. I'm going to right click on that and uncheck show object. So I'm going to hide it. I'm not going to delete it. All right, now I'm ready to place my circle. So go to that first one, click on my incenter, and then I'm going to click on that point I just created. And that creates my inscribed circle. And once again, I can move my triangle around. I can create any type of triangle I want. It's going to keep that circle inscribed no matter what. All right, let's go ahead and clip that into, clip that into our Word document. Oops, wrong one. That's fine. Okay. Try that again. There we go. All right, now I have my two first constructions on my Word document. Let's go back to our notes real quick. So what does the Incenter find? It finds the center of an inscribed circle. And why does it work? Well, all these lines that we've drawn are angle bisectors, and so they are going to create lines that are equidistant from either side. Okay? So all of our lines are equidistant from the two sides that are drawn. And we converge at that point, we get a point that is equidistant from all three sides, and therefore we're able to create a circle inside of it.